What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. This is the Hummer H3 spare tire removal video, also called a spare tire delete. I'll start by removing the spare tire itself. And then taking off the spare tire holder. And finally removing the plastic piece with fins on it that fills the porthole. I'm going to be filling the plug here with a piece of diamond plate. We're going to start by removing this arm here so that I can drill a hole in this and get it seated nicely. Alright, and I've just got a 10mm socket here. There we go. Now that that's off, I'll disconnect this little hose line for the rear window washer. Now the rear window wiper is removed. Drill a hole for this, and I guess I'll also have to drill something out for that as well. 22.5 inches is where I'll cut it. And here I'm just using my speed square. Measure up to 22.5 and I'll draw a line across. Alrighty, so I ended up using a cutoff wheel on an angle grinder to cut mine. The fitment looks great. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure out these two holes I need to cut. So I need to come down 2 3/16 inches. I'm going to use this 3/4 inch bit here. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this out with the grinder. It fits just perfectly on there now. I'll be using this material that's just called carpet tape. And it works really well. Super, super strong. Long enough to reach across but not stick out the sides. What folding this in half has given me is a little bit more reach, I guess. Alright. I'll take a strip of masking tape and sort of hinge the bottom here. Wow, that looks good already. I'll just go over where I have the strips and be sure to apply it. A good amount of pressure over them. And for the final steps, I'll put the blade back on here. And there it is. There's a little bit of a gap that sticks up in the middle section there, but I honestly think it doesn't look bad. Looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.